Home Minister Amit Shah will move resolution in the Lok Sabha seeking approval to extend President's rule in Manipur for another 6 months today. The resolution listed in the Lok Sabha's agenda states that this House approves the continuance in force of the proclamation dated the 13th February 2025 in respect of Manipur issued under Article 356 of the Constitution by the President for a further period of 6 months with effect from 13th August 2025. Earlier, on July 25, a similar statutory resolution was admitted in the Rajya Sabha. It also sought to continue President's rule in the state until February 13, 2026. It may be mentioned that President's rule was first imposed in Manipur on February 13, 2025, following the resignation of Chief Minister N. Biren. His resignation came in the wake of prolonged ethnic violence and administrative collapse, which had severely affected governance in the state for nearly 2 years. The imposition of President's rule followed a report submitted to the President by the Governor of Manipur recommending central intervention under Article 356 of the Constitution.